Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. In the last video, we have installed this beautiful industrial and factory website theme. And now in this video, I will tell you how you can fix a common error in WordPress that occur when you click on Edit with Elementor button. So let's click on it. So here is the error. Your site does not have a default kit. Seems like your kit was deleted. Please create a new one or try to restore it from trash. So that's the error that we are going to fix. So to fix this error, just click on this recreate kit button, and here you will see several settings. So first of all, you need to click on regenerate files and data, and next you need to click on sync library, and the third thing, you need to click on recreate kit, and after that you can click on save changes. And once done, you can go back to the edit with Elementor page, and here you can click on refresh. So here you can see we are now able to edit the page, and our design is exactly same without any change in design. So that's how you can fix this recreate kit error in WordPress. So that's it for the video. Like this video and leave a comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.